So it looks like it was a liposuction. I'm up next. We're just going to do my left boob first. We'll do my right boob tomorrow.
I got that on camera. What you actually doing, Phil?
So this is a 48-year-old Galah with a lump, and we're gonna be rehoming it. It's a rehoming case. So we thought we'll just try and do the surgery and get the bird so when it gets to its new home, it doesn't need too much to be done. So it's some kind of benign mass. Could I please get Shireen, there's some of that wash, just to feel a bit of flush in there.
Just turn the ISO down just a smidge. See how nice it is with that little bit of butorphanol on board?
Yes, please. So it's a cystic mass. We should have saw the stuff, the squeegee stuff that I've squeezed out of it.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to finish it. We're going to just finish taking out everything.
Are we thinking cancer, Phil?
No, this is definitely not cancer.
Are these masses common?
Very common.
And what causes them?
So it's part of life. I mean, this is going to be assisted sorts. We can consider sending it off if we want it.
I've personally had a cystic mass myself that needed surgical excision, but it was due to just a something that just didn't drain properly.
So not due to someone kicking you for saying inappropriate things on video?
I will forever say inappropriate things on video.
So we've taken up 90% out or more. And we'll just take up the last.
And as you saw us using the quarter unit to help excise it, you'll notice that nice burnt smell. That's our afternoon snack right there.
And you can see there's the big
Ethan!
thing. And the big thing is there's no bleeding, as you'll notice.
Which was the real point, wasn't it? I'll smack him off camera, guys. How's the anaesthetic, Ethan?
Very good for a 48-year-old bird.
How do we know the age?
Oh, we know how long it was with the previous owner, who's gone into an aged care facility.
Got a lot of quarter units.
There's 3 stitches, so 1.
How many more sutures you got?
Well, this is 1 of 3.
Going to 1%.
I'm just backing out the plastic.
I'll get rid of it.
And you're being boring now, so I'm going to come back in when we're finished. Recovered from surgery? You're awake? Good girl.